Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2005 GMC Sierra. Stock number is 18C225B. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Chrome bumper and grille definitely add a sharp feel. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You do have the Z71 off-road package on here. Factory trailer hitch. Taking a look at the bed liner. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, both passenger and driver seats are heated seats. The driver's side has 2-point memory controls. Four-wheel drive, cruise and audio controls are here. Full stereo, including a CD player. And you have dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.